Now this air filter is soaked with oil. Soaked with oil. If I let it sit here long enough, it's just gonna drip through. So when I got this bike, it was literally spitting oil out of the silencer. That's no bueno. The airbox, this nightmare to get this thing out. Now, as much as work it was to get it out, I would have left it in, but I noticed it was all cracked. Now, I did not crack it, I did not break it. You saw everything that I removed to get it out. So somebody along the line tried the manual way of getting it out and maybe accomplished it, but destroyed it in the meantime. So that's going to need a little bit of plastic welding. I don't run a lid. You can see in there how much oil and residue has been sitting in the bottom of this. So I initially wanted to get it out and clean it, but now we got to repair it. And we got a couple other things in store. So again, keep your bike running, man. It's worth it. I really appreciate you subscribing. I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Later.